कर्णस्वर्णविलोलकुण्डलधरामापीनवक्षोरुहां मुक्ताहारविभूषणां परिलसद्धम्मिल्लसम्मल्लिकां लीलालोलितलोचनां शशिमुखीम् आबद्धकाञ्चीसृजम् दिव्यन्तीं भुवनेश्वरीं अनुदिनं वन्दामहे मातरम्। आनन्दाश्रमशिष्याग्र्यं स्वानन्दाम्बुधिमज्जितम् आनन्दाश्रमिणं वन्दे परिज्ञानाश्रमं गुरुम्। ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। श्री भवानी शंकराय नमः। श्रीमात्रे नमः। महादेव महादेव। चातुर्मास व्रतानुष्ठान प्रायः संपन्न जातं आयिल्ल्यां भव्य जाले सगळे कार्यक्रम कसली एक न्यूनता म्हणून आमकां दिसनी असले सुद्दां आमी आतां सांगना ती मागीर डिस्कस करूया। न्यूनता म्हणून न्ही, नवें आमी शिकले आनी ती हाव टू इम्प्रूव म्हणून मात्र आसता। सो आतां सुमार दिवस जाले, सो खंय थंय पाविल्लो ह्या गाडी 15 15 थंय जाले म्हणलें ना जाय आत तशी स्तुती शब्द मात्र सती खंयचे नमोस्तु हेमाम्बुजपीठिकायै जाल्ले अंकी नमोस्तु देव्यै भृगुनंदना हांवें जाल्ले वी आर ऑलरेडी ऑन 14 नमोस्तु कांत्यै कमलेक्षणै हांवें जाल्ले नमोस्तु हांवें जायनी 15 बैसात होगी बैसात। महादेव महादेव। सो एक विलक्षण स्तोत्र विलक्षणता कल्यशील हाजी मस्त स्तोत्र सती पुराणांतर्गत सती त्यावे ऋषी प्रोक्तची आणि मागीर कितली there are many stotras primarily which are attributed to Jagadguru Adya Shankaracharya, not necessarily by Jagadguru Adi Shankaracharya. Even the later Shankaracharyas may have got inspiration, may have composed, as a possibility, but some are definitely pristine. एक वांग्मय पळयल्या रिची मनीषा पंचकम हैं एक 2-3 सती डेफिनेटली जगद्गुरुंगे लेणची म्हणून आमी स्वीकार करता ती वी एक्सेप्ट इट. देन वॉट वॉज द सेकंड पॉइंट आई हैड मेड. दिस इज वन ऑफ दोज stotras and I think that is the Manisha Panchakam. The Acharya was confronted by none other than Shankara, avatar of Shankara. Shankara appears there, challenges him. The prajna kasli म्हणून. Theory is good. What is your prajna? Instantaneous anka, no calculation. That's the main thing. So त्या हांतू ते स्फुरित जाले. जाग्रत स्वप्न सुषुप्तिषु स्फुटतराया संविदुजृंभते या ब्रह्मादिपिपीलिकान्ततनुषु प्रोता जगत्साक्षिणी सैवाहं न च दृश्यवस्त्वितदृढप्रज्ञापि यस्यास्ति चेत् चाण्डालोस्तु स तु द्विजोस्तु गुरुरित्येषा मनीषा मम. It is the prajna which defines the guru. By birth or sharir, he can be a Chandala, he can be a Brahmana, his prajna. That was a declaration. He exhibited his prajna. When accosted, what do you mean? You are saying Brahman is everywhere, you are asking me, where is the differentiation? It was a ludicrous question, but it challenged and the answer was spontaneous. That is the beauty. So even the Acharya has demonstrated how we should exhibit our prajna, and it is never calculated. All these elements come in this. In this stotra also, this is the Acharya as the Vatu. Sansalla. Bhavati Bhikshan Dehi Prarthan karta hai. Sannyasi, he can't ask. He can just go and wait. Door closed, move. Just move. Here he could ask. And he saw that and ekdam karuna dravit zali. The beauty of this is as Ishvara, he gives the phala. Tya vruddhe le kukarmamiti daridrya. But in this, so to say, ek jagatantu, again the Acharya avatar zalal, his karuna is there. Avatar is an expression of karuna. So immediately that gushed forth and invoked the best of the best of the best on that lady. Kanakadhara. Kanakadhara is not a deluge of just gold. Everything, sumptuousness, fulfillment in life. Chaturveda Purushartha Siddha Kondimcha, Samarthya. Just delete all that. I don't want. I have no time. Tigal Prarabdha. Bas, rescind or cancelled. Samarthya kaun hai? Who writes only can do that. There is no maker checker. One person only here. So we try to understand what prompted him. That is extremely important before we even do the pravesha in the stotra. Otherwise we'll just be caught up with the words, oh, wonderful, that's about all. Then you'll get some idea of what level the stuti starts at. Angam Hare. So Mahavakya Chmakdistasti, nothing else. Eko Aham Bahusyama, that Eko Aham is itself the first manifestation of awareness, of self-awareness. It has already come into the saguna. So the eka, undescribable, beyond knowing, beyond non-knowing, says eko aham, that ekah aham, that aham ekah, that recognition that I am one is the Lakshmi that is manifest there. And she is Tigal Drishti Tajeriya. That is why the Angam Hare Pulak, he recognizes, I am recognizing myself through his Vimarsha Shakti. Don't try to mystify it. I am not trying to. I am making it as simple as possible in this beautiful shloka, because that was the first spontaneous reaction of the Jagat Guru when he wanted sumptuousness in that Vruddha's life. He invoked the Vishnu aspect by Mahalakshmi. And then her Kataksha goes about creating also. Angikrata Vibhuti Akhila. Ek Nama Rupatmak Asti Bhati Priyam has been expressed in just that Prakasha and Vimarsh. I was very happy to know that this explanation brought about some clarity. Dvandvashla. Again, pay some attention. Normally we have our Vimarsh. What is it? It's some sort of a brainstorming. I give you a word like Shraddha. Everybody knows the meaning of Shraddha, but when we do Vimarsh, why is it so exalted? Why is it so important? What increases it? What can diminish it? All that Vimarsha happens. Finally, what are you doing? You're getting clearer and clearer apprehension, understanding of Shraddha, not just as a word equal to belief or faith. How it applies, how it can be a ruling, motivating factor, guiding factor in your life. It's not just belief. I believe, so don't I. Fire of Shraddha, which will lead to Nishtha. So that is Vimarsh. So you do all that manthana, that is Vimarsh, and then you better understand this. Is how the Jiva will approach Prakash and Vimarsh. Then the Prakash, oh, now I understand. From the Srishti Krama, it's the opposite. Fullness, I know, but I know Madala, it comes as Vimarsh, which is a expansion. It is still a self-expression, a self-recognition. And the other Katakshas bring about the Angikrata, the Nama Rupatmak Jagat, where the Atman, Brahman also gets enmeshed and begins to believe he is a Jiva. So, Tikal Drishti Don Dikanasta can name. So, the Sadhaka, Shankaracharya is invoking her Kashyeta Eka Amchetitul drishti yavo. It is your drishti that has given us this Jiva Bhava and is sustaining the so-called creation. But I want that drishti which will lead me to my own self, that which you cast on Vishnu. Aham Rupen, I want that jnana. That is the beauty of that. So do vimarsh on this. That is what. And why? Because it had come as a torrent of grace. Just wiping off all her past karmas. Sorry, no karma. It can be done in a small way or it can be done completely. Since it was an avatara, it was done completely. So we invoke that. When we read this stotra, it's also that all the purushartha, chikke sankarpane, salpa kadime madi. Padya. Aikatvayata, it's still audible? Okay. This is bhaidista. अर्थ हो जाता सा सुमार गॅप असेल म्हणून एक क्विक रिव्हिजन आणि आयल्याने यू फॉलो इंग्लिश नाव ओके I think all of them, so I may switch over to English also. No, the first two were just in Konkani. Anikal Ashile. So we started with that. Where was the third example I gave? Bhagavad Gita. Arjuna was friend. But at that time, knowing that it was a psychological or whatever, but whatever it was, he became Shishya. That is the most important. And it was not contrived. It was not planned. Even Krishna was taken by surprise, as was Adi Shankaracharya in both the Varanasi episode and even before in this episode. That's the beauty of it. That is the probably samvit mantati, Swamiji would that spark. It's like anything else. एक कोण की कल की सांगला सगळी हसली कल आहे म्हणाली यू एक्सप्लेन द जोक इट डजंट रिमेन द जोक गॉन so this spark at a different level has to happen, so we cultivate that through our nishtha and attention. So Magirdi Stutis we did. What was the other point? 2 points mentioned. Drishti, it's always drishti, it's constantly drishti. Kammagal उद्धार करी म्हणना दृष्टी नेच जाता दृष्टी सृष्टी चशिन्मिति. But it also implies the sadhaka is manifesting or seriously attempting to be aware of the drishti. If his drishti is on something else, he'll miss the cue. That is what invariably happens. We work and then bad guy, something else holds our attraction. That moment of grace is past. Prashna karta, oho, kya hua? So that constant ek anusmaran mantat, it is not an obsession. So even when dealing, oh God, how do I deal with this? Oh God, now you invoke God, so you learn how to live more intelligently. That is the attempt to maintain the awareness of the drishti. It is coming in some way. When there is a deluge, I won't be found waiting. That is the Shishya. Why na man? Shishyatva. Yamka. Once I came to understand this Samaj, Bapre ho gaya. When was that? That must have been about 24 years ago. I had to tell them, they go, Bhakuti. Bhakuti is okay. Bhakuti is a dangerous word. It is a attempted combination of bhakti and yukti. Very dangerous. Koi yukti vapur ka, use yukti. Don't try bhakti. Do your work. No, I think God will. Nothing. You use yukti, and that is where Guru Seva comes into. Then with bhakti, receive the fruit. Keep them separate. Shraddhata Valvarta, and you will get confidence. Your yukti will also improve. Mix it and you are finished. You won't know where to go. So that pida, it increases. I used to say they are by default Chitrapur Saraswat, and in Chitrapur Saraswat a lot of bhakti. Bhakti. Then some yukti will also come, and then you will become sadhakas, not just bhakutis. I don't know what it is. One with bhakti is a bhakta, will become sadhaka. then aspire for Shishyatva. Shishyatva is a totally different thing. A person who accepts this, oh, this is very useful, it is very powerful, so if I do it, I'll get money. He is a sadhaka. But who aspires to see it as the Acharya saw it when it was composed, he has to become a Shishya. So the Shishya quality is the highest by my, it's just a grading sort of, it's not Paramarthika Satyana, or it's not a classification made in the Shastras. When I just use. Now we are talking at the level of a Shishya. This is the level of a Bhakta who's happy, and Sadhaka. Shishya is totally immersed, in tune with the Guru Sanketa. So that is what we aspire for. That brings the splendor, that brings the richness in life, meaningfulness in life. And Lakshmi Makal, Lakshana, Mangalata Hadtali. In all the attempts that I make, dharma, whatever I achieve, then that satiation or satisfaction in that, whatever it can be, because I enjoy or because I offer, it will be more of offering in everything. And the full awareness that it is being God done through me. Nimitta samjha, nimitta matram bhadele. The Shishya can aspire to be a nimitta. You understand these things? Linked to whatever we have studied, the Bhagavad Gita, etc. All these things come in the drishti aspect. So now the 15th shloka. Namostu kantyai kamalekshanaayai, namostu bhutyai bhuvana prasutyai, namostu devadibhirarchitayai, namostu nandatmaja vallabhayai. पट स्तुति के लिए एक शब्द देऊ. नमोस्तु कांत्यai, कांतिम प्रदीप्त जाऊन अशें, self effulgent. So that resplendence of the Atman, you are that. तुक नमस्कारू कमलेक्षणायै. रूपांचिंतन करताना लोटस साइड म्हणतात एक सौंदर्य त्यांचे त्याचे मूर्त रूप जावन असतो. तुक नमस्कारू, माय प्रॉस्ट्रेशन्स टू यू. नमोस्तु भूति, भूति ऐसा, विभूति ऐसा, विभूति अपांग लीला. यू गिव द substance to this jagata. You are the nimitta karan, yes. You are the intelligent cause of this universe. You are the upadan, material cause also. What appears as materiality is also not prakriti, something different. It's your own creation. As we conjure so many things in a dream, Devi is doing it consciously. We work through prarabdha, we are compelled. But here you are bhuti. And for the sadhaka, the material cause, meaning whatever artha mantate जीवन में, that is also, you are that. Bhuvana prasuti, Tribhuvanancha prasuti, house jagat janani, you who give birth to this. So tashitum khay vatta sakitul stuti. Namostu devadibhirarchitayai, devadibhi, देवादि ऋषिभिः ब्रह्मनिष्ठैः अर्चिताया सा एव त्वं. सो तुका नमस्कारो. सो एक प्रामाणिकता करना. दिस इज वेरी गुड, बट antecedents, or I want to check out and all. So I'll ask, who has used it? Oh, that person, he is very if he has used it, probably I can also use it. So you who are propitiated by the devas, by the rishis, by the munis, etc., I know I am not propitiating a small devata who will come with a lot of conditions. This is the Brahma Chaitanya that is being worshipped. So Tukka Namaskaru. Deva Dibhi, not just devas. नमोस्तु नंदात्मज वल्लभायै. आणि मागीर नंदात्मज कृष्ण वल्लभायै, विष्णु पत्नी जावन आसा तूं, तुका नमस्कारू. संपत्कराणि सकलेन्द्रिय नंदनानि, साम्राज्यदानि विभवानि, सरोरुहाणी म्हणून सर सरोरुहाक्षी. सरोरुहाक्षी में हे सरोरुहाक्षी. त्वद्वंदनानि दुरितोद्धरणोद्यतानि, मामेव मातरम अनिशम कलयन्तु मान्ये. I would rather use the Sambodhana as Saroruhakshi in the second line, last word. He Saroruhakshi, lotus, Netra Sati, तिगलेक सौंदर्याचे प्रकटंती माननीय अत्यंत वरेण्य जावन आसा most worshipable, the last word माननीय and सर्वरुहाणी. I am using this option of सर्वरुहाक्षी संबोधन ह्रस्व. हे सर्वरुहाक्षी हे माननीय संपत्कराणी. संपत्कराणी मातकल जातले बहुवचन ग्लान्सेस. संपत्कराणी जावती आज त्वद्वंदनानी हँग गडबड जाता. सो कल करचे वरेण्य जावन असं वर्शिपेबल असं आय कॅन ऑफर एवरीथिंग कोणाक तुगल दृश्टी कले मात तुगल दृश्टी पडच भितर इफ आय रायज टू दी ओकेजन म्हणटा ती बेडा पार जाता. कोण घेवचें न्ही. इट इज नॉट जस्ट टेक एंड बी हॅपी. आय वॉन्ट टू गो टू द सोर्स. I acknowledge the source. In anything that I receive, I say thank you, but I want to know whom I am thanking. That is the real sadhaka, isn't it? Otherwise, such a wonderful thing, a miracle happened, I am happy. After the charm of the miracle or whatever sort of fades, then I have to talk about it so that I get more excitement and people are happy and I am happy. No, kanki vachal gadi. I want to contact you, who are the most worshipable, venerable, and who is the source of these whatever prasada that I get. That is important in my life, and that is more important because I know it has come from you. Why? Because you are important and I want to make you the most important in my life. Otherwise I am making myself important when I am gloating about it, which is a natural consequence if that offering is not done correctly. स्वीकार करताना. That is humility. Humility में एकदम डॉइंक जावचें न्ही. That grace, there is a dignity also in the sadhaka. He is not going to act like a fool. But that humility is म्हाका प्रसाद रुपी मेळ्ळ्या आनी I'll play it to the hilt whatever role I have to play. That gives that nimitta जाताना. Understand these things? Small hint, sadhan hintu. So that vandanani संपत्कराणी. फर्स्ट वर्ड संपत दिता तुगल दृष्टी म्हळ्यार सकलेंद्रिय नंदनानी. दे आर पैल्पेबल. इंद्रिय नंदनानी. द senses are activated. They feel that joy. It is not some celestial ananda when you have done pratyahar dharana and in the dhyan you experience. Palpable also. साम्राज्यदानी एकादपत्र साम्राज्य दायिकायै नमो नमः म्हणटा ती एकादपत्र मेरी सूर्यास सरी. he feels he is the sovereign lord of everything. There is no competition. तशी सो तशी हांगा साम्राज्य दितली. एक्चुअली कळतें स्वराज्य सिद्धी म्हणटा ती आत्मज्ञान दितली. दॅट इज द साम्राज्य. सो इट स्टार्ट्स एज वेल्थ. इट स्टार्ट्स एज goodness, a feeling of indriyani, and finally it is atmajnana also. Vibhavani. हे सरोरुहाक्षी त्वद्वंदनानि दुरितोद्धरण उद्यतानि. दुरित कोणा त्रास अंत सती तंगेल उद्धार करचांतो तत्पर है. जिसकी दृष्टि, जिसका अनुग्रह तत्पर है किसमें? जो दुखी है उसका उद्धार करने में. तिगल स्वभाव शी हैज़ नो ऑप्शन. शी इज़ करुणामयी. मामेव मातरम अनिशम कलयंतु. ती दृष्टी म्हजे निरंतर आसा. अनिशम निरंतर म्हजेर आसा. नॉट जस्ट अ फ्लीटिंग ग्लॅन्स. न्ही ते ग्लॅन्साचें कशें आशिल्लें. इट वॉज सो ब्युटिफूल. योर दृष्टी, कॉर्नर ऑफ द आई, द फ्लटरिंग or whatever of the batting of the eyelids creates that like a bhansha which will drift it towards me. My God. Like the cloud is there, it will rain, but it's raining there, and here I am parched. Let the anugrahatmika wind blow that cloud in my direction. So you are anugraha, your drishti is anugrahatmaka, and the eyelashes, they waft it towards me. Tashi ek last shlokan tashile. So tashi hanga सकल दुरित उद्धारण करचे उद्यतांतुंचे तत्पर. So that's the only the moment her grace comes, it's only for the uddhara. The srishti sthiti laya karcha is a different, and nigraha of course is a different category. This is beyond that. That is why the chaturtha Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha, Madhyari. The fourth Purushartha is Apavarga. It's a different category. Dharma, I have to do. Kama, I have to enjoy. But Moksha gets into another category altogether. Dharma, Artha, Kama is all where the individual is stressed. Stressed in this, probably stressed also because Kartrutva, Bhoktritva, they will be stressed. But the emphasis is there on Kartrutva and Bhoktritva. In Moksha, this is dissolves, and finally, it's a Nirgun Nirakara Brahman, Aham Rupena. So there also the Uddhar. Now it is the fourth element, the Anugraha that is coming. So at all levels, मेरे पे अनुग्रह आपका बना रहे. अर्थ हो जाता है इसमें. अर्थ हो जाए पूरा. In some hints, sadhana related, माताजी विमर्श करा दी. अथांग दृष्टि च please remember, एक तीव्रता में पहले सांगिला has to be built up. Otherwise you will miss the drishti. You won't be aware. That's a sad thing. So it's just like majjanma janma saphalyam aho jatam ayatnatah yadangri renu samsparshat tamanandam gurum bhaje. That is the declaration of the Brahmanishta. In the joy, all that the Jiva Bhav can utter is sense that joy, which is the Swarupa of the Atman, that is the Guru. And the Jiva expresses that joy. Sharirasa Sari Guru Varenya, Shastra Varenya, so Dhanya 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 Mantala. But Tya Guru Untante Shishant Kale Farakna, Aikya Zalyanti. So the Jiva Bhavanto, Majjanma Janma Saphalyam. Not only this Janma, all my Janmas, Saphalata ko प्राप्त कर चुके हैं. Why? Aho Jatam, Anzalnikashi, not my Purusharth. Ayatnatah Yadangri Renu Samsparshat Tamanandam Gurum Bhaje. But having done all that, having purified the Ahankara, used it intelligently as a Shishya or whatever the standing or whatever in life, the connection has been so strong that the Dvaita or the Jiva Bhava is finished. And then the realization that whatever I have gained is my own Swarupa and it is not the result of whatever I did. That was just the struggle. This fruit is not the result of my tapas or my endeavors or my upasana. That's why it's just called prasad, jnanam hari. Nastya kratah kratena munuchi. With that which is the immeasurable cannot be attained through karma. Karma is only in these three levels. So now the realization, ayatnatah praptam, swamrajya siddhi, apnalinchi atmajnana, praptasya prapti. These are terms used. Praptasya, what is your Atman? You don't become one Atman or something. That is all in the realm of Maya. If you become, then you'll again have to take Manav Sharira and again work your way through understanding that there was Bas Shuddha Chaitanya Swarupa, Tantukali, Vadche, Kammizamche, all the Vikaras, Kasle, Nashile. It is not that you became that, you are always that, you are, will be. Trikala, Abadhitva, everything else changes. The unchanging is what I am. Was, will be, has no context at all. So that Drishti, Athang, when we pray for that, remember there's a full power of Upasana, and but that Kartritva is shed, we don't cling on. Yat Kataksha Samupasana Vidhi Sevakasya Sakalartha Sampada. It's opening up in the same. Santanoti Vachananga Manasaihi Tvam Murari Hridayeshwarim Bhaje Aham Bhaje Kam Bhaje Kam Bhaje Murari Hridayeshwarim Bhaje. Murari Vishnu. Tagal Hridayeshwarim Tagal Ardhangini Zaunashili Tagal Aham Zaunashilta. So the Lakshmi, Mahalakshmi, Murari Hridayeshwarim Aham Bhaje. But here it is Tvam. He is addressing her. Bhakti na. Aham Bhaje. Yat Kataksha Samupasana Vidhi. The Kataksha is what the sadhaka craves for. His entire Samyak Upasana Vidhi is directed only to get that. You can't get that. Be aware of it when it flashes on you. Whose entire Upasana is guided by the Drishti, Kataksha Drishti of the Devi, is guided to be in tune, is oriented to be in tune with the Kataksha Drishti. What I think I just mentioned. Be aware of the Anugraha. So that is the only Sevakasya Sakalartha Sampada. And that attempt, incidentally so to say, Sakala Artha Sampadaha, it gives him all that is required in his life. Chaturveda Purushartha Siddha Satati, for the one who is oriented, guided by the Drishti, nudged on by the Drishti, and has begun to understand there is a source also of Drishti, and now he is tuning into the source of the Drishti. So his entire Samyak Upasana Vidhi is only for the Kataksha. So for that sadhaka, not the prasada alone, which we accept with gratitude, with grace, with joy, everything. But again orient ourselves to the source. Santanoti, what does it do? Vachana Anga Manasaihi. It expands, it fills at all levels. Vanintu, Manantu, Ani Sharirantu, the Anugrahacha, Spandanzamcha Suzata. Consciousness. Kalpadau Kamala Sunupi Kalaya Vidhakaya Chitkila. Kona kai gottaski? Tvam Dhyatvam Karayan Chakara Chaturo Vedascha Vidyascha Taha. आपका ध्यान करके ब्रह्मा ने सृष्टि की, वेद की सृष्टि, फ्रॉम विच द क्रिएशन. आई डोंट एस्पायर टू बी अ क्रिएटर. कल्पादौ कमलासनोऽपि कलया विद्धकया चित्किल त्वां ध्यात्वाङ्कुरयाञ्चकार वेदाश्च विद्याश्च ताः चत्वारः तां मातर्ललिते तं मातर्ललिते प्रसीद सरलं सारस्वतं देहि मे यस्या मोदम् उदीरयन्ति पुलकैः अन्तर्गता देवताः. The divinity is within my body. They are, they are awakened. So there is horripilation, that joy. Why? Because of your drishti. That I seek. Saraswatam is the mantra there. I seek that mantra so that I can understand. You are mantra devata. So your anugraha will be there. With that Brahma did the Chatvara Veda, and then he created Srishti ke liye Brahmal Kamashila. For me, what do I aspire? That's all. So it's not just some knowledge or something. It overwhelms the sadhaka. Vachana Manasa Anga. Santanoti. It expands that anugraha at all levels, and that sense of bliss is there. That is what the sadhaka aspires for. His upasana is guided in that and guided by that also. कोण के आवाज केला उठायली आवाज केला म्हणून उठायली आता खंय वचचो कोण आवाज करतस थंय वचचो. यू विल हॅव टू रिओरिएंट युअर सेल्फ एंड गो टुवर्ड्स. इट्स लायक दॅट. मंत्राची मत तशीची. The mantra awakens something. When you do that, it will guide you to the source of the mantra. There is a guru, devata, ekachi. But aham rupent the jnana jata. Sarasija nilaye saroja haste dhavalata rangshaka gandha malya shobhe bhagavati harivallabhe manogne tribhuvana bhuti kari prasida mahyam. Has kitam lyage? Is this there in the version? I'll So Sarasija Nilaye Saroja Haste. Dhavala, here it is the whitest Dhavala, but Dhavala can be Swachh also. Generally, Dhavala is associated with Saraswati. No reason why Lakshmi cannot once in a while adorn gold, red. Her choice, white. But Shuddha, Swachh, Shubhramana. That Shubhra is white also, but it can imply Swachh. Tigal Alankaru and Tigal Veshbhushe. आणि अत्यंत सुगंधित पुष्पांची माळ धारण केलेली शोभे त्यांतुगल शोभा हातांसुद्धा कमळ धारण केलेली हे भगवती हरिवल्लभे मनोज्ञे desired, very pleasing to meditate upon that form of yours. Tribhuvana bhuti kari, you who bring about into creation the three bhuvanas, prasida mahiyam, be benevolent, majir anugraha kari. Ittul सगळं तो करतो सा मागसून घाल नाका. नेक्स्ट खंचस्तम गेलाय दिग्हस्ति भी दिगा directions. दिग्हस्ति भी, the elephants in the 8 directions. Kanaka kumbha mukhava srishta, they are holding Kanaka Kumbha, golden pot, pitcher, Pitcher, Kumbha in the pot. Ani Svarvahini, Swarga Ganga, Svarvahini, Vimala Charu Jala Plutangim. So, you are the Plutangim, Aplutangim, drenched in that Amrita of the Swaraganga, waters of the Swaraganga, which are being poured on you by the Dighastis who have collected that Swaraganga Jala in the golden kalashas held in their trunk. What is Amasa Sangha? Artha is all simple. It's a beautiful picture. She creates directions. Directions Mary. Desha Kala Kalana Ghevanu Srishti Zata. Desha Kala Ani Kalana. This is what binds us. This is what keeps us in our Jiva Bhav. Desh, space. We give Paratparata example. The space of Swapna is there. The time, Kala of Swapna is there. When you get up, my creation. This is her creation. Ani Kalana, cause. Because of this, because of this. So you see a continuity there. Again, I'll give you that example because we have to bring in the element of Vedanta here. Raman Maharshi ne ek Pansangil, that time it must have been a new thing, photography and then movies. Around the camera has given the spool on his own project. So he says, okay, you're seeing it on the screen. There is Desha, Kala and Kalana, but it's all contained in that reel. That is it. The source. That is how he just gave that example. So Desha Kala Kalana we require if you want to enjoy the movie, but it is all contained in that one single reel, the entire movie. You see it for 3.5 hours, but it's contained in that. You see all those characters contained. Oh, you know that man did, so that is why that man went and broke his head and all that Kalana, cause effect, it is there in a timeless moment in that reel. So he just gave that example. Try to understand that. So the very directions, the Desh Manatati, they propitiate her because they know without her there is no direction. Tangil astitva chatanta sate hasti kumbha ghevanu tigal abhishek karta sate. You are the source, not just the axle or something like that. You are the source. You give us life. You help us define space. Without nowhere. Dighasti bhi the archita zata sa pratar namami jagatam jananiyam ashesha lokadhinath grihinim amrutabdhi putrim. Pratar namami. This Mangala aspect of Mahalakshmi, she is seated there, Kamalasana Zavnu, whatever her mudras at that time, but all the directions, the Hastis, they are propitiating her. I begin my day with this meditation. As I go out and deal with the world at large, Mardati. Pratarnamami jagatam jananim tadrishim jagatam jananim tadrisham rupam aham dharayami chintayami ashesha lokadhinath grihinim Vishnu Patni Ashesha Lokadhinath Grihini Vishnu Patni Amrutabdhi Putri Amrut Abdhintan Utpanzaleli Manthan Keleltavadi from the Sagara Sambhavati Tikka Namaskar hum karta Kamale Tikka like Sambodhana Kamalaksha Vallabhe. Kamalaksh here is now Vishnu. Tagal Vallabha Zaunasa Tvam Karuna Purita Tarangair Apangai Avalokaya Mam Akinchananam Prathamam Patram Akritrimam Dayayaha. So nice. He Kamale, Kamalaksha Vallabhe, Apangaihi again, Kataksha, Apangaihi, Avalokaya, cast a glance at me, just a glance on me, Tugale ek drishti padyari, ham dhanya sata, Avalokaya mam, Akinchananam Prathamam, Akritrimam Dayaya, Patram, Nishchita, I am the foremost among the most useless. So, Akinchana, I am not just worthless, I just can't do anything. I am helpless, okay, better word, probably, helpless. Some people are making some attempts, some people are very feeble, some people don't do anything. That category, no, I am the best among them. I really can't do it. I don't know what to do. Even if I know what to do, I don't feel like doing it. I want to do, I know what to do, but I don't do. So, manasa, vacha, karmana, whatever, sankalpa, nothing, no good for anything. Most deserving. तो बोले एक दृष्टि पड़ो. प्रार्थना. देवी प्रसीद जगदीश्वरी लोकमातः कल्याणगात्री कमलेक्षण जीवनाथे दारिद्र्यभीति हृदयं शरणागतं माम् अवलोकय प्रतिदिनं सदय अपांगैः. तो मित्र जानो with karuna, with compassion, generously. Magalochi, that feeling now, not an object of contempt or yo papam mulailotra vaikina papam apne are magalochi. That last puppy of the litter kang karta so tagal drishti tajar drishti padata tashi. Now that connection is being strengthened. हे देवी प्रसीद जगदीश्वरी लोकमातु कल्याणगात्री मंगलताचे मूर्ती कमलेक्षण जीवनाथे. आणि तुझ्याशिवाय विष्णूला कले चल ना ताका जीवन नाथ जाऊनच तू स्त्रीलिंग तंतु. दारिद्र्य भीति हृदयम. दारिद्र्य in my heart, is it filled with compassion? What can it be filled with? Valves, auricles, ventricles. Fear first, भय, करे तो गलती, नहीं करे तो गलती, भीति हृदयम, दारिद्र्य. And because of that, penury, P-N-U-R-Y, penury, paucity, feeling of lack. Naturally the jiva will always feel that. Nothing external is going to help. So he is asking, aham rupen maka jnaan diyo. So ashimagal ek hridaya, tugal karuna purita hridaya, and magal bhaya daridra bhiti grasta hridaya. So I am sharanai lahava, I have come sharana. Mam avalokaya, glance at me now. Sadaya mitra bhavena, eka compassion and eka khushina. Magaloch. Now the element is Jagannatha, I am part of it. So you are my mother. Now I invoke that glance. Pratidinam, grace me with that look. स्तुवन्ति ये स्तुतिभिः अमीभिः with these stutis, with these shlokas, anvaham pratidin. Whoever propitiates the mother, thinks of her, visualizes her because some aspects are given, meditates upon that, understands, lets go of his or her own jiva bhav basically, and this material obsession with the body, it cannot be just discarded. Every moment the world is telling you, you means me, this body, embodied. Meditating on the न्यास करता है तशी वर्ल्ड आणि तंतु आहे त्रयीमयीम त्रयी is here Rigveda, Yajurved, Samved. Generally त्रयी means with the three Vedas. Atharva is there, but it's almost from the Rigveda and a collection also accepted. So त्रयी means three Vedas. त्रयीमयीम Veda Swarupinitu Tribhuvana Mataram Ramam, mother of the three Bhuvanas, Bhurvasvaha, Rama, Vishnu Patni, Gunadhika, the abode, the repository, the source of all the good gunas, Gunadhika, Adhika. She is overflowing with that, bubbling with that, not just containing and protecting and isolating, effortlessly sharing, bubbling with the gunas. Gurutara Bhagya Bhagini. Gurutara, betterer and betterer mantati bhagya dittal Gurutara. Or it can be more meaningful. Guru is heavy also. So Gurutara is more and more meaningful. Frivolous bhagya, ho gaya, prarabdha, enjoyed something, now what something else. Distractions, just going through life. No, Gurutara bhagya, everything, every moment is an opportunity to connect to the divine. So tashi bhagya dittali bhavanti te bhuvi buddha bhavitashaya bhavanti te bhuvi buddha bhavanti. Those who meditate upon you, recite this, all the shlokas of this stotra meaningfully with bhakti, what happens to them? Te bhavanti bhuvi, इस पृथ्वी लोक पे वो क्या होते हैं? बुद्ध भावित आशय, आशय में आशा, आशा भरपूर असं बुद्ध भावित इंटेलिजेंट आशा म्हणतात ते. They are blessed with that. Even to appreciate her, there has to be some reciprocation. मॅडम म्हणता मस्त वाणकाण रांधप कोंदवले कशी हां खलास. Oh wow, it should be there. So Buddha Bhavita, intelligently now, Asha, Ashiji Pishavari, you Tanzam Kashila, Makitl Mala, but Doctor Mala, not this sort of Asha. Asha which is directed with intelligence. आम्ही कल करता थे ऐन बीजम मूलाधारांतो, नॉट ऐन फॉर इंटेलिजन्स. कर मांत मगल बुद्धी या वा म्हणू इथलं जन्म करता येईल आणि ते कसं झालं आहे. नाव आय वॉन्ट दॅट. सो ऐन विद्या बीज इज प्लेस्ड इन द मूलाधार, इंटेलिजन्स अँड कर्म. दॅट विल ब्रिंग अबाउट रिंकाराचा अधिकार जाता हृदयांतू तें एक भुवनेश्वरी बीजाचे धड 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 भक्तीचे जोश, ऑल दॅट हृदयांतू भीती आणि ऑल दॅट विल गो करप्शन्स. Then we can hope for Agnya Leke, Sahasranando, Shrim Purnatecha, Lakshmi Bija, Tashmuniyada. So that is what happens. So your entire sadhana becomes intelligent striving and reciprocation. Bas, that's all. It's not recollection or anticipation. It's just receiving. And quick response. Ab tekun karati. Aitu. अनेकले आशिल्वा निमगुंचे सांगचे आशापाची अयो निमगेला जीवार आयला. श्लोक नंबर थर्ड श्लोका. गुड मॉर्निंग. You would have decently warned me, I would have prepared myself. Sure it's the third one? Amilitaksham. Seventh, I think, in this. So what is the query? Something missed out? The whole shloka was definitely taken, so what was the specific point that I missed out? Or the shloka was missed out? No. Vishwamara Indra Pada Vibhrama Dana Daksham. Vishwamara Amaraha, Vishwamaraha Daiva, Santul Indra, the Padvi, Dana Daksha, Dakshatasa, immediately who confers Indratva on Indra. Kenopanishadantanta Tashi. Ananda Heturadhikam Muravidvishopi. Yeah, I have taken this. Maybe I missed out the first line. Ananda Heturadhikam api Muravidvishopi. Muravidvishaha is Vishnu, Murari. Even for him, she is a source of joy, adhika joy. He is in himself, and then this I am, again the same. From one point of view, from the Akhanda Chaitanya, recognition I am Akhanda is another enjoyment. And at a lower level, Srishtintu, the highest one, the Indraksa, the Indra Padvi, Vishwa Amaraha, Devata Ganaha, Teshu Yaha Indraha Sarvasreshtaha iti nigadyate. Tasmai Tasya Indratva Padvim ka dadati, sa eva dadati. Tadrishim Devim Aham Namaskaromi. Ishan Nishidatu Mai Kshana Mikshanartham. Ishan, ek kshan ke liye, Nishidatu, rest. Just take sort of, okay, transit, halt. Nishidatu Mai, in me, Ikshanartham, half a glance. Half a glance. Ikshanartham also, accidentally. May your glance rest on me for a kshana. That which is a glance which gives tremendous ananda hetur adhikam. It is the hetu, karana of excessive joy in this Satchidananda, which recognizes its Satchidananda Swarupa, and which has the capacity to give that padvi to even Indra. Tagal Indratva manatati, not just Vajrayudha Dilla and all that. Indra. But so that same drishti on me, Ishan Nishidatu, ek kshana khatira, half of that glance may just sort of rest on me. Indivara Sahodara Mindirayaha, Indivara Sahodara Indirayaha, the eka Lakshmi Zaunashri, Indivara Sahodara. Indivara, Chandra's Sahodar, Utpanzalel Manthananto, Chandra Kashki, Tashichi Lakshmi Aili, Tagal Sahodara Zaunashili, Indirayaha, Indira Lakshmichi. Tigali Drishti, it's all Shashti, her Drishti which brings about that self-recognition in the Satchidananda Swarupa and helps manifest that joy even more, or experience that joy. Ek tatastyan experience is possible. You have to have duality. That hint of apparent duality between Mahalakshmi and Mahavishnu is being brought out very subtly in this. That's the spiritual aspect. And not a very gross, but material hantu Indrakshada Indra Padvi Dittali. Itva Samarthya sa. Vishnu ka Ananda Atireka, that's Karan Zavna sa. आणि इंद्रा का अपना एक सगळं पदवी दितलं असं त्याची अर्धदृष्टी, हाफ अ ग्लॅन्स, लेट इट फॉल ऑन मी फॉर वन क्षण. आनी सुमार चिंतन जालें हां हें स्तोत्र म्हूण घेतना ताचेरय तुमी मंथन करात. साधनेचे सगळे अंश शब्दशः अंत नाजल्या सुद्दां ते कशें म्हणून हांवें सुमार विचार केल्लो. पूर्णकलामयि संवित् स्वरूपिणी पूर्णकलामयि संवित् स्वरूपिणी समरसशालिनी पालय माम्. समरसशालिनी पालय माम्. पालय मां परिपालय माम्. सततं नमामि सततं नमामि सततं नमामि सततं आत्मकाम संवर्धनीयम्ब आत्मकाम संवर्धनीयम्ब गुणकलामयि संवित्स्वरूपिणी समरसशालिनी पालय पालय मां परिपालय बोधय मां प्रतिबोधय बोधय मां प्रतिबोधय श्री शंभुनाथ करुणाकर सिद्धिनाथ श्री सिद्धिनाथ करुणाकर शंभुनाथ सर्वापराधमलिनेऽपि मयि प्रसन्नं चेतः कुरुष्व शरणं मम नान्यदस्ति शरणं मम नान्यदस्ति गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्री गुरुभ्यो श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्री गुरुभ्यो जपं सिद्धिर्भवतु मे देवी त्वत्प्रसादान् महेश्वरी। भवानी शंकर मम शरणं, भवानी शंकर मम शरणं, भवानी शंकर मम शरणं। नन्दन्तु साधकाः सर्वे, विनश्यन्तु विदूषकाः। अवस्थाशाम्भवी मेस्तु, प्रसन्नोऽस्तु कुरु सदा। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखमाप्नुयात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ नमः पार्वतीपतये, हर हर महादेव।